Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video. We're just going to touch base on this exhaust modification. So the previous owner already had the exhaust facing straight up, and because of that it had gotten basically filled with water and the bottom had rotted out really bad right here around this seam down here. So we took off the cover. Fortunately it was a fairly decent shape. I could salvage it. I took and wire wheeled, cleaned everything up, and then just re-welded it. Well, to prevent that again, I decided to do something a little bit different with the top of the exhaust. And all I did is, I can't remember if I made a 30 and a 45 or two 30 or 35 degree cuts, and basically just kind of angled this back. So where this ends up sitting off, not quite at 90 degrees, it still tilts up just a little bit, but it's enough to basically blow the smoke away from you. I didn't go with the front style where it leans to the front and then comes out to the side, because I really want to try to get all that exhaust away from me. My son rides with me a lot, especially while I'm mowing, and this really helps kind of keep those fumes away from you and your face and everything else. Once again, this is really easy to do if you have a welder and a way to cut pipe. Those aren't bends, they just got cut and re-welded. Then took a flapper disc and just kind of sanded it down the best I could, and you can see it's not perfect, but it works. And there's no sound change, so I'm not going to start it up to run it, but I was too cheap to spend, $30, $35 on a flapper, and this works just fine. It keeps the water from going in, and then it keeps the fumes out of your faces, so it's a win-win. Well, hope this helps some of you guys out there. Take care.